concept of pointer is a bit complicated. Okay, if you remember, it is like this, that in a memory, all the variables are stored in a memory. For example, like this, here, let's suppose here is x. Okay, let's suppose here is stored y. So the y and x are stored somewhere in memory. But you know that computer is reading the memory based on their addresses. Okay, so what address is this? Let's suppose it is 0x 871, something like that. Y also has some address. Okay, now to deal with this address, so okay, so if let's suppose the x has a value 5, so I can display the value 5 simply uh, with the variable x. If I say like this, cout x, so you see I'm using the variable name to display its value. Okay, I can do like this also, that I create a pointer, another variable, and assign this address to that pointer, and later on I am telling the computer to display a value which is stored at this address. So at this address x is stored and the x has a value 5, so it will display the same thing. So pointer is what? Pointer is actually, like if I say like let's suppose this is this x is, let's suppose, the object of this, then I will say a rectangle. Okay, a rectangle will be the data type. Okay, and static ptr, let's suppose this is the pointer, and now ptr equal to address of x. Now you see, we are here we are accessing the value through a name, but now here we are accessing the value through the address. Okay, so in this case, we can easily access through the pointer. Now, like you see, if I can type like this, cout value at this address. So cout ptr, sorry. Or it is clear? What is the difference between pointer and dot case? Okay, good questions. Let me read once again. What's the role of pointer? What is the difference between pointer and the dot? Okay, so I think you are basically confused what is a pointer. Okay, this is why okay, the second question is the difference between pointer and the dot operator. It's from functionality point of view, you see there is no difference, because we can get the same operation, we can get the same values when we were using dot or when we are using the arrow operator or the pointer. Functionality wise are same, but sometime in some situations actually pointer is a good way to use. For example, in a graphics, in a games programming, let's suppose there is a 3D model or there is a big image. So if you are loading the whole image and then processing it, it uses a lot of memory. But if you create a pointer to that 3D model or to that image, then just access the image through the memory where it has been saved, and you just apply the operation inside the memory using pointer. So that is faster and easy way. Okay, so the question that what is the role of pointer? The role of pointer is just to access any value stored in a memory through address. Okay, let me quickly explain once again. So let me see the question. Ah. Okay, no question. So let's suppose this is a memory. There is a question. Mostly the role of pointer are more useful when creating a game. Yes, when creating a game or when you are accessing graphical applications. For example, if there is a image processing application, like there is application that you are recognizing people through faces, okay, or there is let's suppose a system which processing the dynamic images of CCTV cameras. So the CCTV cameras are sending what? They are sending images. Okay, so how to process the images? So there are two ways. One way to actually load the image in a memory and process it. Another way that no, don't load it. Wherever is it, it should be there quickly just access through the address. So the only way to access something inside the memory through address is pointer. So through pointer you can access there. Okay, so pointer is a very faster way, but not the point. It deals with memory, so you should be very careful. If you don't know the exact memory location, or if you cannot assign a proper value to a pointer, and if you play with it with wrong values, it may corrupt, it may invalidate some other values which may belong to the operating system, or which may belong to some other useful values. So pointers can be dangerous also.